Hello, this is Sophie Dawson from sophiedawson.com, and this is another quick look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And today we are looking at this one, which is issue number 44, Lewis Hamilton's number for June 2009 of the ImagineFX Magazines. I love the back cover, but is the front cover going to be the best one of the year so far? Let's go and have a look. Last week we had this one, which was it's supposed to be a manga special, but there wasn't really much manga-iness in it. But there was some very nice things in it, like this one here. Look, I thought that was brilliant, that one. Lovely. But my favourite cover is still this one, the Adam Hughes cover from issue number 40, February 2009. So can this one beat it? The back cover is definitely giving it a run for its money, but the front, Billy's flipped it. Oh, I like that. Oh, the orange really works with that as well. That's still my favourite, because I think it's a cool character. What I like about this is that, look at the shapes. There's like random glass shapes thrown in there. And it's got a very, I love the brush strokes and the textures and everything on this one. Look, it's got a bit of glass going into towards your eye. It's that orange that works. That orange is brilliant with this cover. That's still my favourite though. So let's get, this one's supposed to be a video game special, video game art special or something. I don't know if that's supposed to be on the cover or not. I doubt it. So Billy the Bumblebee is going to get us in. Oh, I love that. I love that. The back and front cover on this one are both beautiful. Absolutely brilliant it is. So the back cover was done by Hoang Nguyen. Hey! I just declare that. This is what we've got coming up in this one. I like this character here. It's supposed to be video game special, but the last one was supposed to be a manga special, and it wasn't really. But what I've noticed is the modern day. Oh, look at that! Oh yeah. This is the FX Pose section. Oh, cool! Look at these. This is by the artist Lockman Lamb. What I was going to say was, I've noticed that the modern day, like 2023 ImagineFX magazines, when they say they're going to do, say, a sketchbook special, it really is. Whereas in the old days, they might have said a sketchbook session special, but it would only be like 2 sections or something. Whereas nowadays, oh yeah. Nowadays, if they say it's a special, the whole thing is based around it. Beautiful FX Pose section here. That's nice as well. I like the way the characters sort of part of the foreground, look, they're blended in with it. Oh, can you hear Chloe? Crying outside. God of War 3, look, and Kratos. The video game of God of War 3. Oh yeah, I thought that was, for some reason my head thought it was Gears of War. I loved the original God of Wars, and then when God of War went onto the PS4, whilst it's amazing, I like the simplicity of the. Oh, there's only those 2 pages. I like the simplicity and like the linearness of the earlier God of War games. You played it and just got through it. But when they went open world and stuff, I think that's a problem with a lot of modern day video games, is they've all gone open world. Look, Solid Snake there. They've all gone open world, and it's all become about like grind fests. Whereas in the old days it was just about playing the game. Andy Park. Yay, look, artist in residence. So, well, that means the last issue, I think the last issue is when they started doing the art studios. Lee Carter's art studio. Oh, cool. So this was like, we're seeing here the beginnings of the art studio section of the magazines. Naruto. Naruto. Image of the month from the letter. Look at all these. Oh yes. The video game art of Mirror's Edge, Faith. One of my absolute favouriteest. I've drawn Faith multiple times. And the original Mirror's Edge on PS3 was perfection. And then the next one on PS4, it went open world. I played it for about 10-20 minutes. But again, I like the linearness of the original Mirror's Edge. I would love a Mirror's Edge 2, which was just like the first one, or the first one remade. They don't need to remake the first one though, because there's nothing wrong with it. And graphically, it still holds up. That's one of those games that will never die, like visually. The visuals of the original Mirror's Edge are going to be beautiful forever. That's what I'm thinking. The art of Stefan Martinier. I've not heard of this artist. This is all about like environments, look. I'm more into my characters. Oh, that must be from the video game Rage. I've never played that game. What's this here, look? Top 10 game artist portfolio tips. Target your portfolio. Oh yes, Tom Garden. Array of aliens and assassins. These are brilliant as well. Oh, I love it. I love this. Reminds me a little bit of Dragon Age. Morrigan from Dragon Age. Get in the game. Looking to turn those well-honed digital art skills into creative career. The video games industry awaits. Assassin's Creed. Again, this is another one of my favouriteest video games, the Assassin's Creed on PS3. What do you call it? Prince of Persia. Day in the life of Kotaki. That's the bloke from Guild Wars. Oh, brilliant article, look. The video game art, we've had Gears of War, God of War, we've had Mirror's Edge, we've got Halo and Killzone coming up. Here we go. Cortana. They should make a Cortana video game. It'd be quite interesting actually. Like you'd be inside of the system, corrupting the system or something. Not really into first person shooters, but I always enjoyed these Halo games. Oh, beautiful. Concept environments. Not really into applying blender mode. Hey, that's the artwork from last issue. That beautiful one. Sci-fi vehicles for video games. What's this here like? creating characters for games. What a cool character that is. Love that. With Reiko Trost. Love that. I'd like to see a group of these characters. Next week we will be mostly banishing your art demons. Banishing creatures. Facing the future of painful. I love that. Oh look, here she is posing, look. They actually drew that from life. Love this as well. Capturing the Ukiyo-e style. Oh, I love it as a pencil sketch. Beautiful, both of them are beautiful. From the artist Hoang Nguyen. Absolutely beautiful. Hey, into Ace 4, look. The Wacom. Into Ace 4. They're working on that art piece, look. Isn't that Lois Royo? I'm sure that's the Lois Royo painting. Nope, I don't know none of these. These are the old reviews. Comic book colouring with Steve Furcho. That looks like Witchblade or something. Oh yeah, look. The video game art of Killzone 2. Again, not into my first person shooters, but I did actually complete all of these Killzones on the PS3. And that's it. That was brilliant. They promised a video game art special and they delivered. Absolutely loved that one. I really hope you enjoyed that. But this one here is a slippery one, whereas this one's a matte. I prefer the matte finishes. But this one's very slippery. So that'll be next week. But this was issue number 44 of the ImagineFX magazine for June 2009. And I shall see you later for another one.